What up, YouTube?
Welcome back to our
channel. Today we are in our car, but we decided to go to Costco and got some food for you guys. So we're gonna try some Costco food.
I love Costco and I love Costco food. So how can you go wrong?
How can you go wrong?
We're at a Canadian Costco though, so
Canadian. We're in Toronto, guys. So
it might be different from the American Costcos.
Yeah, but we're not showing them inside of Costco. We're gonna eat some food.
But I mean, like the food might be different.
Oh, okay. We'll show them a little something.
We have. I don't know if you guys have poutine in the States. It's a Canadian thing, so I don't think they'll have poutine at the American Costcos.
Really? There's a poutine thing?
Poutine is a Canadian thing.
Damn, I didn't know that.
It's a Canadian.
Welcome to Canada, guys. We're about to go dig in this food. Like we always say, join us around our table. Maybe join us around our car.
Our car.
Our car. Let's get to it. Today we got some poutine for you guys. Some poutine. You got some gravy, some cheese.
The cheese curds. You can't eat it on its own.
It tastes good though.
Really?
And the fries.
So poutine is like, the basic poutine is cheese, gravy on top of fries. Yeah. And then we have some chicken fingers, fries, and your basic chicken fingers, which came with sauces. What sauces did you get?
Sausage?
Sauces.
I don't know. I told him give me everything.
Well, there's the barbecue. There's honey mustard.
So you a cowboy now?
And a sweet and sour. Yum.
I'm hungry. I can't wait.
Yum, yum, yum. But, guys, they didn't even give us a fork. We had to use our own fork in the car. Look at this bite. Look at this. Like, you guys. How can you not?
Give me that fork. I wanna. You're not already tasted. This is a bite.
It's just like everything mixed together. So good.
The cheese is so creamy, guys.
That's the thing. Like it's not like your what is it, like stringy kind of shredded cheese. It's like the curd, so you really taste it. And there's Costco fries. So if you guys have never had Costco fries,
I think Costco fries is one of the best fries.
I agree.
I don't know. It seems like it has a little padded, like, what is it? Flour on top, and they just
something extra.
Yeah.
They're kind of like.
It's almost padded with flour.
Yeah, like an extra coating of like crispiness.
Yeah.
I'm gonna start with the hot dog too. I usually just like mustard and like a little bit of ketchup. Especially with mustard, it's like fewer calories. Actually, no, with 0 calories, so it like makes you feel even better. And we have hot peppers. Makes the hot dog for sure. If you guys never had hot peppers on your hot dog,
where's mine?
You guys never seen it. Yours right there. What you mean?
Can you get it for me?
I'm making my hot dog and so like he can't reach himself.
Yeah.
He forgot the sauerkraut though. They usually have sauerkraut. But the thing about this, I don't know how if it's like in the States, but you have to ask for these. Like before, like a long time ago, you never had to ask for them. They were just like out
at the side.
Yeah, like they would have it where your ketchup and stuff was, but they would be like, it'd be like your typical hot dog stand out like that. But I guess it's better now that it's like it's actually packaged, so it's sanitary. I guess that not everyone's like touching them and like.
I got onions too.
You want onions?
Yeah. Open it up for me, please.
Oh, they even have like a best before date on them. I've never seen that.
I don't know. This Costco right here is different.
Yeah, this Costco is like we're in the one in Vaughan, like Woodbridge area, kind of near Wonderland. If you guys know where Wonderland is. Our Wonderland is like it's kind of like it's like the American Six Flags.
For the Florida Universal Studio?
Yeah, exactly. So it's not like Disney where you have Disney characters. It's an amusement park. How was it?
Amazing. Delicious. This season with like everything.
You got a sausage, didn't you?
Huh?
Is it sausage?
Guys, make sure when you go to Costco, don't get the regular hot dog. Just get straight sausage because it's more tastier.
They add like other ingredients to it.
Yeah.
I feel like this bun is sweeter.
It makes it even better.
Yeah. But I feel like usually they're not like that.
The only option for sodas they have is like Mountain Dew, root beer, what is it? Pepsi, Coke.
No, not Coke, just Pepsi.
Pepsi. They got
Iced tea?
iced tea and fruit punch. Do they have fruit punch? I don't think so. I've never seen that either. So
I think they have
they don't have
Pepper?
I think so. They just don't have my favorite soda, which is Sprite. Sprite after like a fast food meal, it's the best.
We went to a Costco like after Wonderland, and like it was the best drink and meal and everything combined. Like after a hot summer day when you're outside all day.
Yeah, the only reason why I guess we were just hungry and like dehydrated. What is it? We were walking around the whole day like for like 6 hours straight.
Outside.
It was hot as heck. We ran out of water. I'm not gonna lie, guys. The food at Wonderland is expensive as heck.
It's like this thing, like a hot dog and drink is $1.50, $1.50, and at Wonderland for just the hot dog is like
a hot dog and a drink.
For a hot dog and a drink for the same size is what, like $15. That's so expensive.
You ate that piece?
Oh, I didn't realize that.
That's love, guys. There's a bad side to this sausage, though, guys. I'm gonna tell you guys what like the bad side. It's not good.
That's the only thing he complains about when he eats this thing.
The thing about this sausage, guys, it's so good. Flavors out there is like, I'm pretty sure it's sort of with like garlic, onions, everything.
I feel like there's a hole in my straw. Like, drink it. You can't even drink much of it.
We're tripping. Get another straw here. But yeah, guys, the thing about this sausage is it's good as well. Like, it's one of the best hot dogs you can ever have. But the only bad side is when you go home, or if you plan on going to public, just be careful. Eat gum or something. I don't know. Like, your breath be like stinking after that. But the worst thing ever, when you burp, it smells like nastiness all over. Like doo-doo, everything.
I can't even lie, it smells really bad.
Like, my own burp, I can't even smell after I have the hot dog.
He gets legitimately pissed.
Like, I get pissed. I'm like, yo, why do I produce a burp like that? Why? Like, I get so, like, I'm like, I remember one time, like, I ate Costco one time. I woke up the next morning, I burped. I almost called off work because I'm like, I'm not going to go to work to burp around people because...
Damn!
Because that burp from the sausages is terrible.
But it's so worth it. It's so good.
It is worth it.
It's one of those when you burp, like, no matter where you blow it, which, by the way, I've learned about blowing from him about blowing your burps.
Yeah. Guys, when you burp, do not start talking. Blow it away. Because that's messed
blow
up.
It away.
Like, blow, like, you burp, blow it away. Don't.
I never knew to do that.
I know some people, like, they be burping. Like, it's like the silent burp. They're like...
That's me.
And then they start having a conversation. And I'm like, bro, I know you know that was a burp that just came out of you. Do not talk.
I didn't think that blowing it would make it go anywhere. I'm thinking, like, you're blowing air. Like, where's that gonna go?
I don't smoke, guys, but I watch people when they smoke. I don't watch. I don't creep, but it's like
He
sometimes when I look at them, once they like inhale like a puff, and they stay calm. Once they like start talking to people, like the smoke is like literally like just floating around them, right? But once they blow it away, you can see the smoke literally like move, like leaving. So that's where I got the blowing from. So when you burp, guys, blow it away. Do not start talking. We got this one dude that just parked beside us and just
He's
looking
staring at us.
And his mouth is open like this too. That boy hungry, guys.
Oh, he's jealous.
I think he wants some. You want some? It's pretty good.
I want to open up another one.
This barbecue from Costco doesn't taste so smoky.
It's more sweet.
Sweet. You can actually taste the ketchup. I know some of you guys don't eat ketchup with chicken, but I do.
He loves
Ketchup with chicken.
Did you just take my chicken finger? So rude. You shows the honey mustard.
These are the chicken fingers.
This kind of
Sometimes
tastes like soap.
soap. Let me see.
Does it taste
Kinda
like
do,
soap? Yeah.
I don't know. I can't eat this honey mustard from Costco.
I'm not a huge honey mustard in general person. I usually go for the classic sweet and sour or plum sauce or something.
And the barbecue now.
And the barbecue is good.
Now we're introduced to the barbecue. I just asked him for like random sauce.
So I guess these are all of them.
Yeah.
Or maybe just the handful that the lady got. Another good thing about Costco, guys, they all wear like hair nets. And
They got gloves.
yeah, but even like for guys, if they have like beards or something, they'll like.
They got to cover them beard because I ain't want no hair in my food.
But that's good. Like I've never seen places that actually like cover.
I
don't think I'm a huge fan of sweet and sour either. Not this one at least.
put it away. Get some of the barbecue.
Yeah. Oh, we forgot about the pizza. Like I feel like my 10-year-old like sister could make this or something. If I had 10-year-old sister.
I was about to be like, am I lost? Am I with the wrong person? Because I know you don't have a sister.
It kind of tastes like
I feel like I like it.
Yeah.
Oh.
It kind of tastes like you know those bite-size like pizza bites?
The little circle ones?
Yeah, that's what it tastes like.
That's why I like it. I used to love eating them.
Yeah, it's not all the way there for me. But the dough is like, that's what tastes like the pita bites or the pizza bites.
Yeah, but it's just it's a little too thick and like too moist at the dough. Like I rather the dough
Crispy?
be like more crispy and like crunchy and
thin. I like them thin.
thin. Yeah. You can put that pizza back. These chicken fingers are nice and well seasoned. You can actually see the black pepper.
And they're big.
Yeah, they're really big.
Whenever you can get the chance to come to Costco. Ew, something came out of his mouth too. Ew.
I blew it away though.
Yeah, you blew out something else too.
Shh.
Ew.
I think I want to do more of these car mukbang.
Me too. I like it.
Like we just come from somewhere and we just sit in the car and just eat. Guys, when we first started dating and our parents didn't know,
Oh my gosh.
every single day we would actually meet, like we would meet up in the car and just sit and have ice cream, talk for hours.
We were at the Ben and Jerry's.
Yeah.
Ben and Jerry's ice cream.
Ben and Jerry ice cream. We'll just have that in the car, have music on, and just chill.
I forgot about that.
I don't forget.
How did that happen in so long? We would literally sit
In the car.
hours.
I think those the best nights are when it's raining. You can
Yeah.
hear the rain outside. You're just chilling,
Yeah.
eating ice cream in the rain.
You know, it was
I
perfect.
think I enjoyed that.
I do too, but it was perfect timing. Like, And we started like officially dating in August, like mid-August. And then so we were able to do that for like a few months before it got really, really cold.
Yeah.
And when it got really, really cold, that was the time to tell our families. But I remember like coming to the end, I was like, man, like we can't even sit in here like even more than like 10-15 minutes because it was that cold outside.
It was too cold.
Yeah. You want this, babe?
I'm done with that. The chicken fingers and these fries were amazing. Yeah, these fries are just regular fries coated with
You know what? These actually remind me of the Chinese fries.
The place we went to eat, the wings.
Yeah. It's like, I don't know, something about Chinese fries. If you guys know what I mean, this kind of tastes like it. Like that texture, that coating that it has, the Chinese fries have that too.
I'm pretty sure it's just like coat, some extra skin.
Yeah, it's almost like, you know how like sushi when you get like tempura, it has that batter. Like this has some other next batter.
You want the last?
No, I'm so full.
We finished everything except for them pizzas because they were not good.
We were gonna get ice cream, but I think I'm too full for that.
But yeah, guys, leave a like for us.
Tell us if you enjoyed the car mukbang.
Yeah.
Because if you guys did, then we'll definitely. I think we're gonna do them, kind of either way because it's kind of convenient.
Oh yeah, you can get some wings. You can get some pizza.
We can get, like everything.
Popeyes.
Yeah. Ew. But yeah, let us know down below and tell us what you guys think.
Subscribe to our channel, share with your friends, and we're gonna put our Instagram next time because we got a new Instagram. You guys can like look at our food pictures, places we gone to before. It's like we always say, join us around our table.
Car and table.
Car and table. It's gonna be car and table now.
Car and table.
Car and table. All right, guys. Peace.
Bye.